e to the root 3x. Now I must take the derivative of the inner function, meaning the next stage down. All right? So that would be the derivative, I'm going to write in the notation, d dx, you don't try to do this all at once, e to the root, when you get good, you get better, or whatever it is, or you get to be the best, then you can do it all at once. But let's have these intermediate steps here, okay? Especially with that shambles we had a minute ago. So d dx, e to the root 3x, that's what you need to accomplish. You have to do that, right? That itself is a composition. So when you take the derivative of this, I'm going to write it like this, okay? Take the derivative of that, well, the outermost function now is the e to the x, right? So what's the derivative of e to the x? E to the x. So this expression comes back with this inside. The inner function stays the same. So root 3x. But now what do you have to multiply by? The derivative of the root of 3x. Agreed? What is this?
Is it 6?
What's 6?
Like, because you have, wouldn't it be 3x to the 1, or 1/2? So 1/2 of 3, would it be like?
3 halves.
It's 3 halves.
What?
Because it's 3 to the 1/2. So 3
Oh, 3 halves?
1/2. 3 times 1/2
Okay.
is 3 halves.
Yeah. 1/2?
3 halves.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
radical is 1/2.
Yeah.
Correct.
Times 3.
So if we
Yeah.
take this derivative, I guess we'll interpret it as d dx of, you guys are saying 1/2 power, like we discussed a minute ago. Okay? But you got 3x stuffed inside the 1/2 power. So it's another composition, right? 3x is inside the radical. So when you differentiate this, you take the power down, right? And this expression will be 1/2. We showed a second ago. Do it again. You have 1/2 expression to the negative 1/2 power. Agreed? But what's the expression inside? 3x. But I've got to multiply, because this is still a chain rule, right? It's not just x, it's 3x, by the derivative of 3x. What's the derivative of 3x? 3. So there's the chain. Okay?
Wait a minute. 1/2. Wait, where's the negative 1/2 going to?
What's it going on? Yeah, -1 from this, right? You brought the power
Yeah.
down, and then you have to subtract a power, and subtract 1 from the 1/2, so you get a negative 1/2.
And then what was the next?
We have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Still, it still has an inside.
Oh.
Okay? But now if you multiply all these things back together, you'll have the appropriate derivative. So dy dx ends up being secant squared e to the root of 3x times, what's the next thing down? This guy. E root of 3x times, that's all the same, 1/2 3x to the negative 1/2.
Wait, so what was like the final answer?
We're not there yet.
Oh, okay.
Times 3. There is our list of multiplications that need to be performed, right?
Quick question.
Yep.
When you did that 1/2 times 3, shouldn't you get 3 halves, not 3?
No, you can't actually multiply by the 1/2 because this is still inside. On this one?
Yeah.
On that one you can. You can combine this 3 and this 1/2. You cannot combine this one with that one because this one's inside the negative 1/2 power.
Oh, okay.
Can we combine it now?
Can we combine it now?
Yeah.
We should. Not only
Doesn't
can we,
look
we
like
should.
it's an extra thing.
Yes. So now you should clean it up. How do you clean it up? The 3 halves should be brought out to the front, right?
Yeah.
All constants, all multiplicative constants should be combined together and brought out to the front. Okay? Now, not only that, this actually has a bottom. This is 3x to the negative 1/2, so it's really down below. And you want to not use negative exponents. It's going to confuse you in the next section, or next unit, right? You want to write with positive exponents, otherwise you're going to make mistakes. It's not like an algebraic thing, like, oh, I really care about that. I'm just saying you're gonna fumble the ball pretty soon if you don't just do this now. So our derivative, a little bit cleaned up, should be 3x to the 1/2 down below, and it's going to have a 2 next to it down below. So 2 times the root of 3x, right? And everything else is on top. So 3e to the root 3x secant squared, and inside the secant squared is still e to the root 3x. So that's what it would look like after all that. Okay?
Okay, so the second time around, we I guess cleaned it up a little bit where it says secant squared times e to 3x. So is that second e? Yeah, that one. So
This one is being multiplied.
But is that from
That moment right there.
Oh, okay.
That piece right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I won't use the little pointers there anymore. I'll just write each step, the whole thing again. I think it'll be clear if we just do it that way. It's just some of these get so long, you get tired of rewriting the entirety of the problem, but what do I care? I'll do it. Okay, 39. Y equals sine to the 5th power, but inside the sine function is cosine of 3x.